how easy it is to retrieve scanned documents. The real life scenario we're discussing here is that you have a salesperson who fills out paperwork for the office staff to then generate the quote. The salesperson has done the measure, brought the paperwork back to the office. It has been scanned and saved into the folders created by DBS. Now every time you create a customer for DBS, it will automatically create a folder for them. Every time you create a quote for that customer, it will create a subfolder for that customer. So once it's scanned and saved into the appropriate folder, and that's very easy to do, we can simply call that customer up here. We click on Customers Other Files. That's now got the path in there for that customer that you can set up individually for each organisation, and it will create those customers in that folder for you. We click here, we select the file that we're after, it opens it up there, and I can click open, and we can now view the document that's been scanned by the business. That then allows you to generate the quote from this. It allows you to view it easily. You no longer need to store the manila folders or the plastic sheaths that you've got with all the paperwork in them. Once they've been scanned into the system and saved into that folder, it's readily available for anybody using DBS. So that makes it more likely that you'll be able to get by without the paperwork and running around looking for folders every day every time a customer rings up. So it'll make it very easy for anyone to answer any customer's queries relating to that quote. Thank you very much for viewing.